Honda Racing HRC announced that it will begin supplying CBR250RR racing base bikes based on the 2023 CBR250RR to HRC service shops nationwide in March 2023. The CBR250RR race-based model has removed safety parts not required for racing, and has new ECU and exhaust pipes exclusive to race-based models. Furthermore, by replacing it with a wire harness for racing, it is equipped with a complete set of equipment that allows circuit users to run faster and have more fun. With the announcement of the CBR250RR racing-based vehicle, the timing of the announcement of the new CBR250RR is predictable. Frankly, it will be officially announced in early 2023, January or February, before the announcement of the race-based bike. Wait, more news will be available only on the Tumamoto channel, so be sure to subscribe. The ECU engine control unit dedicated to race-based models is also new, adding Honda selectable torque control and wheelie control functions. The number of mode settings for power mode, traction control mode, and engine braking has increased. In addition, it is also equipped with external inputs that can be connected to external sensors. The front suspension adopts a Showa SFFBP inverted front fork. Quick shifts for up and down shifts are also standard. Removing the main switch, turn it on and off with the kill switch. The vehicle on display had an endurance exhaust system. Lever guards prevent the lever from being suddenly pushed in a collision with another vehicle. Equipped with a hook for a racing stand on the swing arm. The rear kit manufacturer's name is not written. It looks like it has 4 positions that can be configured. It is also possible that it is compatible with reverse shift.